The amount of scrap tires is rapidly increasing worldwide. Since 2006, the storage and disposal of scrap, as well as shredded tires in landfills, is prohibited, in accordance with the European guidelines. That and the increasing scarcity of environmental resources strengthen the necessity and feasibility for recycling. In Europe alone, approximately 3.2 million tons of scrap tires accumulate yearly. The worldwide total amount of scrap tires is, however, difficult to estimate. It is for sure, however, that approximately 60 million vehicles are being sold around the globe. Scrap tire recycling, as we at Pallmann know it, means not only the replacement of fossil fuels, but also the separation of valuable materials such as rubber, steel and textiles, and reintroduce them into the raw materials cycle. The recycling of scrap tires allows for the regeneration of valuable materials contained therein, such as rubber, steel and textile from the composite fibers. The Pallmann Group of companies offers high-capacity and robust machines and systems for this application. Single and double shaft shredders, knife mills, pulverizing systems, as well as conveying and filling systems round out the complete spectrum of the required preparation technology. The Pallmann recycling system liberates the scrap tires into various components. Finest rubber powders, granulates in many different sizes, wool textiles, as well as cleanly separated steel wire are so produced. Tire recycling is effective, profitable, and an attractive future-oriented business field if the correct technology is used. The reliable and proven three-step Pallmann process consists of shredding of the scrap tires in the first step. Afterwards, the rubber, steel, textile composite gets loosened and separated and is pulverized into finest powder if desired. For this application, Pallmann offers complete recycling systems from a single source. To begin with, the scrap tires are pre-cut into chips. For this application, high-capacity shredders type Lion with hydraulic or optionally electric drives are used. Running in a loop with disc screens, these high-capacity machines produce clean-cut tire chunks sized 50 by 50, 100 by 100 or 150 by 150 millimeters, a preferred and easy-to-dose bulk material for thermal reuse in a rotary kiln of a cement factory. For the preparation of rubber granules, scrap tires are cut into chunk sizes, 150 by 150 millimeters, as feed material for the granulation step. This is the ideal size in order to loosen and separate the rubber, steel, textile compound in a further size reduction step. After the pre-cutting process with the shredder type Lion, the Tiger loosens the rubber steel textile compound. The loosened components are separated by means of magnetic and screening technology. Mixed fractions are reintroduced into the Tiger and are recycled again. Textile fibers and steel cord make up for approximately 30% of the weight of a tire. The textile fluff is very well suited as insulation material. The valuable steel wires have a purity of almost 98%. The rubber granules are, in a third step, granulated in the Panther to desired particle size and are further freed from steel and textile. Granule purities of almost 99.8% freed from steel wire and textile fibers can be achieved. Typical areas of application for rubber granules from scrap tires are, among others, the construction of weather-sensitive running tracks, so-called tartan tracks, and tennis courts in sports arenas, on playgrounds, as flexible flooring for improved protection from falling. They can also be used as an additive to asphalt for decreasing dangerous ruts and road noise in order to increase driving comfort. Furthermore, these rubber granules are used for the production of molded parts for industries and households, for the production of mats, for heat, noise and vibration damping.